In Chapter 7, we'll show you how to perform some of the more common admin tasks. Before you begin this chapter, you'll need an installed and licensed NetConnect server and access to your admin portal. Now in this chapter, we're going to show you how to take a config backup, how to restore a backup file, how to apply a software upgrade, how the reporting module works, how to monitor your system resources, and how to shut down and reboot your NetConnect server. Okay, so let's log in as admin and open up the admin portal. We'll start with the backup process, which we recommend you take prior to any upgrades, any scheduled maintenance work, or following any configuration changes to your system. You can schedule backups automatically, and I'll refer you to our documentation on how to do this. For now, we'll be navigating through to System Configuration, General, and Backup Restore. It's just a case of clicking on the backup option and waiting a few moments. As soon as the backup is complete, it'll be available from here, and you can also click on the download option in order to move the file to a safe location. Now, should you need to restore a config backup, you can also do so by selecting the Choose File option here. You navigate through to the backup file and just click Restore. This process will take a few minutes depending on the size of your config file. You can click Refresh here until you see the confirmation that the backup is done. Next, we'll show you how to apply a software update. These are released periodically by Northbridge and typically contain a mixture of improvements, updated features, and security updates. They can be pulled from the same Northbridge Secure software page that you downloaded the VHD from earlier on in the training. Now, we recommend users are logged out prior to the upgrade, and of course that you take a config backup in the unlikely event that something goes sideways. Now, once you have your upgrade file, simply navigate through to System Configuration, Software Upgrade. Now, this screen will give you an overview of the last software upgrade you performed on your system. If you click the Choose File option, you'll be able to navigate through to the upgrade file and then click on the Upgrade Now option. This will take a few moments, and once completed, your new and improved NetConnect server will be available. Now, you may from time to time want to check the reporting options or system logs. As you'd expect by now, this is performed through the admin portal, specifically via the reporting and monitoring options here. We'll start with monitoring, so navigate here first off and click on Dashboard. Now, this will give you a high-level view of the logins and the usage, but you'll get a much more granular view if you head over to Activity Reports. Now, here you'll be able to see who logged in, the realm they used, when they logged in, the source IP address, when they logged out, and any failed login attempts that may have been had. There are also some filter options along the top of the columns, as well as an export option. Under monitoring, you'll have the ability to see which users are currently logged in. This can be helpful prior to any scheduled maintenance work. You can also see how long they've been logged in for and where they're coming in from. You also have the option to close the connection with the End Selected Session button here. If you move to System General, you'll be able to generate some graphs which provide specific information on your system utilization during specific periods. Feel free to explore the options here as needed. And finally, you can manually shut down and restart your server from the admin portal. Both of these options can be found under System Configuration, Shutdown.